Top in the morning to you, ladies. My name is Austin Cox, and today, top in the morning to you people, my name is Austin Cox, and today we are making chicken. Yes! Finally back. We're in a different location today. I'll just say that we're in Waukegan today. I always say where we are in the video. We're having 9 pieces of chicken here today. And you're wondering, hey, why do you have chicken in the morning? Hey! Well, because we're weird. Don't judge me. I took it. And then, I did take it. And then, move over here. This stupid thing out of the way. I'm going to put that in there for... No. 3 or 2 minutes. What do you say?
I would do 3. That's me. Okay.
Now we're going to wait for 3 minutes. Hold on. Beep. No, actually, no. We're going to actually watch it go. So, bye. I did take it. I know I did. So anyway, guys, while the microwave is going on, I want you to click the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell so you won't miss any other videos. For me, if you guys love this video, save it and then put a favorite. This is your favorite video. This should be one of your favorite videos, guys. But finally, I'll say chicken finally back. Chicken is back. Because I've never been making chicken videos for a long time. Killed it. I usually have soda, but I can't because I'm here. Anyway, I'm going to go put this there. This video might be uploaded by maybe 9:30. I'm not sure if this would hurry up. Oh, guys, this is a cool microwave. The reason why these orange things are here is because we're at my grandpa's house today. That's where we are. Okay, I'll let you know when there's like 12 seconds. Beep. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Alright, so as you can see, it says end. Oh, God. So now, guys, our wonderful breakfast. That meme is dead, I know. There's my chicken. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, guys. Anyway, thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.